The National Weather Service in La Crosse has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Buffalo County in west central Wisconsin until 6 p.m. At 5:08 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Durand, or 15 miles north of Wabasha, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is possible. This severe thunderstorm will be near Mondovi and Modena around 5:35 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Gilmanton, Maxville, Mondovi Airfield, the Big Swamp area, and Ern. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Tornadoes can form with little warning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following county: Buffalo, Wisconsin,